We made it on the other side. Did anyone bring like a big Philippines flag? Oh, I almost lost the water. What'd you say?
Today we're making Filipino corn eggs and sand with
It's called corn silog. You don't even know the real term.
corn silog.
I know, we don't have garlic rice, so it'll do though. It'll still be good. We're having breakfast for dinner, and then we'll probably have the same thing for breakfast.
Here's our setup. Our camp area was around mile marker 38. There was about, I think, 8 vehicles total in our group. So the next morning I decided to wake up early, catch sunrise, and also take pictures of everyone's setup, check everyone's setup, which was pretty dope. It gave me an idea of what I should do to my own rig for overlanding. Like the awning that we had didn't work quite as good with the wind. It just kept getting blown away. I mean, it worked for the most part, but it was frustrating at some times. When we got home, we decided to pick up something that is a better quality than what we had. It was really nice meeting everyone in person finally. I've only met one of them before, Kuya Eddie with a 2-door Bronco. In person, we went to Flagpole Knob, I believe 2 years ago. And he's pretty much the one who introduced me to the group, so thank you, Kuya Eddie. So that day we decided we were gonna go to the lighthouse, but before that we headed back to the office station where you get dropped off by the ferry. That's also a place where you can get ice and fuel, and there's also a shower area back there too. Like right here.
Whoa. We're heading to the lighthouse finally. The lighthouse. It looks so pretty in person. It literally looks like a postcard. We're walking to the little village that's up here, right by the lighthouse. It's a cute little museum. We're not there quite yet, but it's nice. There's this nice little walkway, which would be crucial because the sand is so burning hot, especially for my feet. Stopped at the visitor center, got in Arizona, and all my stamps are completed, at least for this trip, from all the Southern Banks stamp options. I got all those done, so someday I'll have to come back and do the north side because there's more stamps on the other island.
Our bedrooms are on the other side, so basically, look ahead off.
There's like a little hot dog stand. That's the visitor center right there with a little gift shop. There's like a seating area over here.
A few moments later.
Taking us pictures.
With my stuff, and that way you don't have to buy everything. Pretty sure it's
Good morning, guys. It's our final day at camp. We're a little sad, but definitely ready to get home. We miss our daughter and our dog. I am definitely gonna miss the sound of the waves crashing as I sleep. It's so beautiful here. Last ride on the sand. We had a good time.
It's tiring.
Yeah, it was a really fun trip, but we're so tired. We didn't get enough sleep the first night, and that like set us back. And we just want to have so much fun, so we wake up so early. The water is so pretty here. It's nice and like light blue. Back in Delaware, it's like super dark and kind of nasty, but it's really pretty here. We did a swim yesterday. It was so nice and refreshing because it was like 100 degrees and the water was like cool, but it was kind of warm too, so that was cool. We're already thinking about upgrades on our truck in the future after this experience. So if you have suggestions, comment down below. Like and subscribe if you want to see how to look in the future. Drive so freaking close to the steering wheel like a child. This is terrifying. Oh my god, he's telling me to pick up the gas. This is so scary. Oh my god, 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 oh my god.
Man, I don't know how they load these ferries up because it was pretty tight and they just kept making me go even closer to the netting. We were actually had a different time than the group, so we weren't expecting to see them again. We pretty much said our goodbyes at the island. But surprisingly, when we got back to the port, they were all still there, so we decided to grab some lunch with them before heading back home.